وَإِن فَاتَكُمْ شَيْءٌ مِّنْ أَزْوَاجِكُمْ, and if you've lost something because of your spouses, meaning they're not giving it back to you, and you needed that money, because you needed that money so you can give the dowry to your new wife. Now you can't get married because you don't have money, and you don't have money because the old one's not giving you the money that she owes you. And that's gone and good, it's over. وَإِلَى الْكُفَّارِ, meaning the whatever's been lost to you of anything from the spouses that have headed towards the kuffar, فَعَاقَبْتُمْ, and next time you go into battle and get a hold of the enemy, فَآتُوا الَّذِينَ ذَهَبَتْ أَزْوَاجُهُمْ مِثْلَ مَا أَنفَقُوا. Then Allah tells the Muslim community, when you do get spoils of war next time, take a little bit of that money and spend it on these people so they can spend the likes of what they spent on their previous spouse, on their new marriages. Part of the spoils of war was helping these men get married and these women get married. SubhanAllah. So it became part of the spoils of war to help those whose money is stuck in Makkah, to give them a little bit of money so they can get married. وَاتَّقُوا اللَّهَ الَّذِي أَنْتُمْ بِهِ مُؤْمِنُونَ. Have caution of Allah, be careful of Allah, the one in whom all of you are believers in.